Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to recreate this endless door-to-door transition in Adobe After Effects. It's pretty simple, so let's get straight into it. First, catch your camera and shoot a video like this, moving towards the door. Also make sure to always keep the door in the center of the frame. This way the loop will look more seamless. Now that we have our shot, let's fire up After Effects. Start off by placing the shot on the timeline. What we need to do is cut out the inside of the door so that we can place our shot in there. So grab the pen tool and start drawing a mask around the door. Then change the mask blending mode to none, so we can actually see where the door is. Now enable animation for the mask path and animate the mask over time. And of course try being as precise as you can. Once this is done, we can change the mask blending mode to subtract. Now we can cut this layer at the point where the door begins to open. And then delete the mask from the first part. And this is what we have now. Let's pre-compose these two layers and we can start working on the loop. Duplicate the pre-comp and just move it to the point right before the door opens. And we can repeat this with another duplicate. It's looking great already, but we want to make the loop infinite or endless. And I'll show you how to do that right now. We're gonna place the in point right before the door opens by hitting B on the keyboard. This will be the start of our loop. And then go to the same spot on the end, but one frame back. And place the out point there by hitting N. And that way you get a totally seamless loop. Next, just right click and select Trim Comp to Work Area. Now let's make a new composition and place our loop on the timeline. We can easily extend this loop by using a simple loop expression. Right click the layer, go to Time and enable time remapping. Next hold Alt and click the stopwatch icon. Now click this button and go to Property and choose this expression. And that's it. Now we can extend this loop as much as we want. Top it all up with some color grading. And we are done. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.